Hi guys, thanks for coming back to my YouTube channel. This is Crafty Corners. I'm coming with a haul from Etsy. I've gotten some planner stickers for the month and the week. And I plus got another journal, Christmas junk journal, junk journal kit. I got this one from craftysunshineState and off of Etsy, and it's a Christmas junk journal kit. It was $15 plus tax and plus oh, sorry. Oh, I'm tired. Plus shipping and handling. And so it came up to $20. So paid for the same amount for crafty girls. So let's get into this one. And this is all Christmas pretty much related. The first thing she did, I will go ahead and show you what she sent me that I'm actually not going to use for this Christmas journal. Junk journal is the notebook. I'm not going to use this. I will probably use some of the paper out here, but I'm not going to use that. I'm actually going to use this to make my Christmas junk journal out of, and I cannot wait to get started on this. And I'm actually going to be making a fall one too. And I am going to be yawning a lot. For some reason, I am so tired. Okay, so some of the little goodies here. I got washi tape. It's got ice cream cones. And this one's got polka dots. I got two of these. I got a green one that I'm using here, and this one. And I just set them on here so I don't lose them. I got a little note card. I'm not for sure what I'll use this for, but I got this. I just might throw it in there. I got an envelope. I thought this would be kind of cool. Anytime I get any like extra money, or if I sell something off of Facebook Market or something like that, I can put money in here and use that money for Christmas. This right here is one of my favorite things that she sent, is the bag, a goodie bag, and I will probably end up using this as a gift, or taking it and put it, folded it up kind of like this and use it as a pocket or something like that. I'm not for sure yet. So it has the truck, and then it says Merry Christmas with the wreath, snowman, Christmas tree, and then a whole bunch of little presents, and then Merry Christmas up here with the bird, with the blue blue background with the snow on there, and then the sides have the green with the snowflakes, and the back is the same way, and then this is red at the bottom. And then somebody must have went to Christmas party, Mickey Mouse's Christmas party in 2016. And I thought it'd be kind of cute maybe to cut this stuff out and maybe use it on one of the papers or something. There's just little things, and then maybe cut the map out too, even, and maybe put the map in there as a paper or something. My boys and my husband are in the other room, so you might hear them. And then I got some of the glue dots, pearls. She sent 2 coloring pages, Eat, Drink, and Be Cozy. And then she sent Winter Wishes. And if I do use these in there, it might be just me coloring something and cut it out and use it somewhere else. I probably won't use the whole page. I am definitely going to use this in there. I'm not for sure how, but if I don't use it in there, I will use it in my regular Happy Planner for the month of December. She sent me some Happy Planner stickers of the Christmas stickers, and then she sent us a Christmas card that says "Bless at Christmas" with all these cute little deers and the church, and then there's a saying inside, and it says, "This Christmas may God open our hearts to His love, our minds to His world, our ears to His voice, and our lives to His precious Prince. Have a blessed Christmas." And then there's deers and gold Christmas trees here too at the bottom. And at the back there's another gold deer with the blue envelope. She sent me these, and I thought these would be good to do the bucket list and then maybe my Christmas list, or my Christmas list, the bucket list. Then she sent these roses. I probably will not use this in the junk journal. I will probably save these and use these for another project. And then she sent me red paper, white paper, two-sided paper, some more two-sided paper, another one, oh, it's just been a long day, guys. And this is actually my second time to film this. My last time my mic, I don't know, I didn't have my mic on, and I thought my phone could hear me, and you just could not hear anything. Some paper with some snowflakes on it, some gold, a snowman, red lettering and numbers, some tickets, snowflakes with some diamonds in those, a star, some more stickers, snowman, Santa's. I love this little mailbox, and the gingerbread man, and the stocking. And then she sent me a big stocking. And then she sent me a whole bunch of tags. Oops. Some riffraff. Then just some checkered stuff, and then another sheet of paper. And I might use this one in the Happy Planner, and I might just take it and bend it like this, or just cut it down in half. Because I want to use that long skinny one. So that is what I got from Crafty Sunshine State. Like I said, I spent 20 bucks. I think I got my money's worth. Yes, some of it is just junk, and I know that. The other place I ordered was some monthly stickers, a whole month worth of stickers for December, and they are from this lady. I will show you her card because I have her card in here. Well, I hope I do. Yes, I do. It's right here. I had it upside down. And then here is all of her other ones. Her Etsy, Facebook. She has Etsy, Facebook, YouTube. And I got, here's my freebie. And this is from Lisa Lauren's Plans. And this is what I got. I got the whole kit, monthly kit of for the Grinch. And so I'm going to use some of this for my planner for the monthly and for a weekly spread, and some of it might even end up in my in the December junk journal for Christmas. So, and this is one of the things I think I'm going to put in the junk journal. And then I will definitely use this for a weekly spread. This one is definitely going to be one of my weekly spreads. Then we've got the full boxes, the washi tape. Then more full boxes. I think these are like half boxes. And then there's the Grinch, the weekdays, and the dates, numbers, and check off lists. Yeah. And then half boxes, and then half boxes, circles, a little square, and some funky looking ones. And then all of these, look at this. This is him on the bag, the Grinch holding the Christmas ornament, and hate, double hate, literally. And then maybe Christmas he thought doesn't come from a store. It's because they were talking about, So that is that one. And then that's that one. And then I have one other one, and it's from Cherry. Oh, where'd they go? Right here. Cherry, sorry. I'm nearsighted, now farsighted. CherrySplash.com is what these are. And this is the freebies that I got from her. But here is what I bought from her. Just the one sheet. I think it was like $1 something. And then most of these I bought from PinkKingdomPaper.com off of Etsy. And there's different ones here. This is pumpkin spice, or spice and, or sugar and pumpkin spice is what these ones are. And like, I've already used some of these. Okay, so here is the sugar ones. The weekly numbers, or the monthly numbers, the weekdays, the weekend, some washies. Like I said, I've already used some of these for the spread of September. There's full boxes with check on there. And then there's half boxes. then your drinking to do, you can, this is your drinking, but you can even maybe, yeah, your drinking, then your weekly, some more weekly, some more washi and half on there. And then these half boxes with pictures of the cozy vibe that's going on. And like I said, I used a lot of these right here for the spreads for September already. And the same with these. Okay, and then this one right here is the fall vibes. As you guys can see, what the theme I'm going here with is the Hello Fall. And then here's this one. On this one on here, which is the fall vibes, the only problem I had so far on, and it was pretty much just on this one, is the weekly dates or whatever days. I had a hard time getting some of the sticker part off, and so I had to glue them. I got them off of here, but the sticker part wasn't sticking, and so I had to glue them, or I had to use tape to put over them. The other one is the sweater one, and I just love these. I'm so sorry, guys. It's just that time of the year. It's chilly here. The days are getting shorter and colder, and it feels like I'm playing catch up. And then here is here is another page from the sweater one. It's the dates, things to do, things that you want to do, some circles, oh my goodness, the weekend flags, don't forget, some hearts, chai time, playing time, and working time. And then the last one was just some full boxes that I've already used some of the pictures. So that is what I ordered from those company. I do have some Christmas things like this right here coming that I'm going to actually use for this. If I don't use this one, it will be one of my bigger ones, but most likely it's going to be something like this. And I can't wait to get busy on those. So if you guys like these videos, please give me a thumbs up and give me hit that subscribe button. Like always, God bless you. Bye.